Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make gold text effect in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make gold text effect in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account. And then in the search bar, just type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Okay, I will go with YouTube thumbnail. You see the icon here, YouTube thumbnail. After that, click Elements. And then in the search bar, just type golden and then photos, and then just choose the photo you like. Okay, for example, this one. Then just increase the size. And after that, just scroll down and click Apps. And then in the search bar, just type Font Frame. And then click Font Frame. And here in the box, just type gold, and here you can choose the font if you like. But it's okay, I will go with Bobbins. And here you can change the frame border. You need to be sure, just click Use Selected Image. Just click here and then click Use Selected Image. After that, click Add to Design. Yeah, it's done. And now just you can increase the size. And here you can just remove the picture, and here you can change the background. Go to background color, and you can change, for example, to black. And then when you are happy with the design, just click Share. After that, click Download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make gold text effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.